Okay, so hello everyone, this is Miss Turner. I'm going to be teaching you how to convert some percents into fractions and decimals. So the first percent I'm going to start off with is 3%. Now remember, percent means per or for every 100. So 3% is 3 out of 100. That's written as a fraction. Now remember, as a decimal, all you have to do is take that percent. The decimal point, when it's not shown in the percent, is always at the very back of the number. And then you're going to move it 2 times to the left. Once you do that, you have an empty space, so you're going to put a 0. So your decimal number is just going to be 0.3. You no longer need your percent sign, and you moved your decimal point 2 spaces to the left. Now you can think of Beyonce. To the left, to the left. Okay? What if I had 262%? Well, remember, percent is still for every 100. So all I'm going to do is take my percent number and write it as a numerator, and 100 is always my denominator when we're dealing with percents. Always. So as a fraction, this is, at 262% as a fraction is 262 100ths. Then if I want to write it as a decimal, again, I'm going to just write out the percent number with the percent sign. Since there's no decimal in the number, I'm going to take right here at the very back, and I'm just going to move it to the left 2 times. So my decimal is now 2.62, or 2 62 100ths. Now if I just have a regular number, like let's do 20%, again, it's just going to be 20 over 100. Now here's where you're going to be reducing. So I can cancel these zeros because zeros cancel. Then I'm going to be left with 2 tenths. They're both even numbers, so I know these can be divided by 2. And they're also factors of each other. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. This is a benchmark fraction. That means you should know this, memorized this as a fraction, decimal, and percent. So 20% as a fraction is 1/5, and 1/5 as a decimal is, if you don't remember, top in, bottom out. Is 2 tenths, or 0.2. Okay, so we said 3% as a fraction is 3 over 100. 3 over 100 as a decimal, all I did was take my 3%, move my decimal point from 2 places to the left, and take off my percent sign. That's my new decimal. I had 262%, wrote it as a fraction, changed the percent, took off the percent sign, moved my decimal 1, 2, changed the percent to a decimal. Did the same thing. 20% is 1/5 and 2 tenths. All equal. All equal. These are equivalent fractions, decimals, and percents. If you are still confused on how to convert, please send me a message and I will do my very best to help you.